Okay, it's recording. Okay. Sorry, our last attempt kind of failed epically. And Michael Jackson died at 7:30.
You said 30.
Whatever! It's not even 7:30 yet.
Really?
It's a bird. It's a bird. Look at the bird.
Right.
It's a bird.
Brady took a bath.
Dude, it went something in the sink. Surprised it didn't fall down the sink.
Oh, he's not that.
He's mean to me.
Yeah, but he loves me.
He hates me.
He loves me.
He like attacked my finger.
He attacked my finger too, but he loves me.
Well, clearly, because you're the one that feeds him. He has to love you.
You don't bite the hand that feeds you.
Well.
Yeah, exactly.
You can, I mean.
But.
Not the best idea.
Nope.
Nope. Nope. Nope. Nope. We were playing with water balloons. I see myself in the mirror. My hair looks different.
How?
Because earlier it was all dark and now it's all light and...
Maybe because you were in the dark?
Look. Ooh. Does this have a night shot?
No.
No?
No.
Oh. The camera I have at my house, it runs on these little tapes that they don't even make anymore. So I can't make a video.
You're making a video right now.
I know. I can't make a video at my house, the camera that I have. That camera that my parents gave me. They have like 50 cameras they don't even use.
I want a camera.
I know.
We're just talking about nothing.
Yeah, pretty much.
Why'd you have to mention Michael Jackson at the beginning?
I don't know. Kind of felt bad. Unbelievable that you actually did.
I know, it's shocking. What? Get your beak. No.
Okay.
No.
So for the record, I'm Caitlin. Katie. That's Julia.
Thanks.
And that's Kiwi. Little devil bird.
He's not.
He is so mean to me. It's zooming in. Now it's zooming out. And wanna go up my nose? Did you ever go up my nose? Really? I don't know. I'm not gonna try that because last time I tried that with my real camera, it died. Okay.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, I have a tripod too at my house, but that kind of fun to play with. Even though I never use it because I can't. Because I can't use it.
Nice. Why do you have it? What was that? Oh, so.
Oops. That was the camera's fault, not mine. We're in a bathroom.
Real.
Which is one of the most randomest places to be when you're making a video. I don't even know. I can't even see myself unless I'm standing like right here. Ooh. Ooh.
That's not weird.
I know, it's not weird at all, no.
Nope. Especially when it's going on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. It is? On your channel or mine?
Mine. My camera, my channel.
I want it to be on my channel.
Fine, I'll send it to you.
Woo!
No, I won't.
Wait, you can't send it to mine.
Yes, I will.
You can't. Mine won't. My thing won't.
I
don't know how to do that. I'm not good with these
email.
technical stuff that people do.
I can send it to your email and you can save it to that one.
This is how it looks normally at my house.
That's cool. No, we'll turn it off.
Look! It's a bird!
So boom.
Yeah.
Yep, you don't even know that.
Look at this. Watch this, watch this.
What's in there, like, seriously?
Oh, I don't know.
Dude, I never go in there.
It's like random weird stuff. I play with this mirror every single time I come over.
I know.
Like, I seriously do.
I saw my sister's stuff in there. And yes, she moved out. I don't get it.
She moved out and yet her stuff is still in there.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that. That's so cool. I just want to walk through there. But I can't.
Yeah,
Mirror.
look at that.
Yeah. Look at the shells. Leanne with the phone.
Oh, God.
It's on my first phone, I think, and it was like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. I'm gonna stop recording now because it's gonna get a little too long.